Hey everyone! Today I will be working with air dry clay for the first time. Guess in the comments below what I am about to make. Ooh, look at that brown clay. It looks like chocolate ice cream. I kid you not, this clay was so airy and fluffy that I was contemplating to give it a taste since it looked so delicious. Here I added some orange and my sister said that yellow would have been better, and I looked at her with a blank face because she was right. Roll, roll, roll. That press was so satisfying though. Just this piece took me 4 tries. This green is so bright that it works so well as a lettuce. This piece of lettuce took me so many tries I don't even know why. I almost ruined the bun while pressing. Now I almost put it the wrong way. Nobody's gonna know. Now the thick juicy meat. Roll, roll, roll. Once this clay is stuck, it really doesn't move. Press, press. It dries off so fast, I am surprised. This cheese was so yellow. Roll, roll, roll. Press, press. And I cut it with my cat's nail filer. Don't worry, I don't use it on my kitty's babies, so they are safe. I almost ruined the cheese while picking it up. I am using the glass of a frame to roll them nicely. Press, press. Look at those small tomato slices, OMG, so cute. Press, press. Now the top bun was being such a pain until I realized that I could use a measuring spoon to get that round shape, and it worked out so well. Here I'm adding some details to the cheese and the bun. This clay was really hard to work with, not gonna lie, so shout out to all the air clay artists because I don't know how you guys make it look so easy. Hopefully it stays inside, as I don't want a big hole on top the bun. Look at this burger earring, it's so cute and I'm so proud of it. This earring lasted about 3 hours until my cat decided it was a good snack to munch on. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and comment on what should I make next. Bye.
No.